So, hey guys, Deepak here, and welcome to the class 3 of the internship program for batch 3. So, today we are going to have a very exciting session. I will go ahead and turn off the chat so that it's not distracting. And basically, what we are going to have a look today is that in the first class, we looked at the marketing fundamentals, and in the second class, we went ahead and understood how do you target a customer and go ahead and try to understand who your target customer is. So we had a deep session last week where it was very theoretical, and we kind of understood that unless you have like a very focused customer avatar, you will not be able to go ahead and have a very clear communication with them. But because if you are trying to talk to everybody, then you are essentially talking to nobody, right? So how many of you feel that the last session was deep? Just type deep in the chat box. Fantastic. And once you have developed the customer avatar, I think it would have given you a lot of confidence on how the entire marketing works. And it was it is something that where you start with, right? That's where you start with. So now that in class 1 you understood the funnel, and you understood the marketing fundamentals, and in class 2 you went ahead and understood how to create a customer avatar. In class 3, what we are going to do is that learn how to sell. So that's what we are going to learn in class 3. And in class 3, we are going to cover a few topics. We are going to learn how to do copywriting, and we will understand the various aspects inside copywriting. And we will also go ahead and understand how to go ahead and persuade people to buy and persuade people to say yes. We will also go ahead and have an assignment where you will create a sales video. So these are the things involved in class 3 and assignment 3. So how many of you are excited about it? Just type excited in the chat box. And I will also show you how you can actually go ahead and make your first sale. And once you make your first sale, your reality will change, and your confidence on yourself will go up, right? So I would like to show you how. So people when I say you have to make a sales video, don't get worried. I'm not going to ask you to appear in front of the camera, even though you can. But I'm going to show you how you can make a sales video just with your voice, and how you can do with just a bunch of slides. And we can also show you there are certain tools with which you can do that. So the number one reason I have been able to sell my digital marketing courses is because I have created sales copies. So when you are generating leads, so lead generation is also something that we will be learning in this internship program. I have shown you how my so by the way, you are up for bigger challenges, right? Do you want to keep the assignment always easy? It's like a game, right? If you are going from level 1 to level 2, obviously the difficulty level will increase. And you need to be up for bigger challenges, up for tougher assignments. Otherwise, how will you learn? How will you grow? Because if you are here just for making money just by completing assignments, then you might as well not join the program and keep the money, right? You are here to learn, and you are going to have challenges. And as long as 70% of the students are completing the assignments, I would assume that the assignment is not too difficult. Obviously, if I give too much of a difficult assignment, then most of you will not be able to complete the assignment. And I will not do that. I will kind of make the assignments thoda extra challenge I will give you, right? So I will just go and show you how my funnel looks like. So my funnel is basically people visit learndigitalmarketing.com, they enter their name and email ID, and they get into my funnel. And once they get into my funnel, Deepan, it's 70%. If 70% of the people are able to complete the assignments, I would assume that the assignment is not too tough. So if people join my funnel, then I'm sending them emails, and then once people join the funnel, so they go ahead and start receiving a sequence of emails. Like for example, if people join my digital marketing tools funnel, you can see that I have stopped the chat. Don't worry about it. So if people join the digital marketing tools mastery funnel, you can see that if you can see the reports, you can see that there is there is a bunch of follow-up emails that I am sending, and these follow-up emails are having an open rate, which is kind of building a relationship with the audience that I have. And then I go ahead and take them to a landing page. So the landing page is the sales page, right? So here is the sales page. So how many of you have seen this sales page before? Type me in the chat box if you have seen this sales page before. So this sales page is where we are selling the digital marketing mastery bundle. And this particular sales page has been responsible for more than 50 lakhs in revenue, because we have been driving so much traffic to it. And a lot of people think that if you create a very long form landing page, then people won't read. But not all the people will read the long form landing page, but buyers will read, right? Just type in buyers will read. If you think that buyers will read, buyers would want to know what is there in the entire product, to understand how much they need to go ahead and invest in the program so that they can get value out of it, right? So buyers will read. And it's always a good idea to go ahead and have a long form landing page, because I have tested it several times. A short form landing page will not perform better. A lot of people create short form landing pages, but a long form landing page will always perform. And here what we do is that we also do something called price bracketing. And price bracketing means that you have two products. You have a 4,999 product with 9 courses, and then you have a 5,999 product with 11 courses. The 5,999 product will always convert better than the 4,999 product, because here people are going to think, hey, the 5,999 product is way more valuable than the 4,999, where you are only getting 9 courses, but you are getting 11 courses for 5,999. So let me go ahead and buy that 5,999. So for us, the focus is going to be to get people at 5,999. And once you have two options, people will start thinking about what is the option I have to choose out of these two, rather than thinking about whether I should buy or not. So that is called price bracketing. Type PB in the chat box if you understand what price bracketing means. You are basically trying to redirect the user in a particular direction to get them to purchase a particular product. So once they go into InstaMojo, people click on pay now. And here in this, once they click on pay now, they will be able to go ahead and make the payment. And once they make the payment, directly the core success will be added to them, right? So Apple has perfected this trick, right? Apple has a lot of price bracketing. There are different products with different prices, where their target is to take you to go ahead and buy a particular product, right? So we have around 90% of the sales happening at 5,999, and only 10% of the sales happening at 4,999. Right. So once you create a very well converting landing page, once you create a long form well converting landing page, it becomes an asset. A landing page becomes an asset, where if you are driving traffic to this landing page, and people will start buying, right? If you are driving traffic to the landing page. So by the way, how many of you have created an InstaMojo account? Have you created an InstaMojo account? A lot of people are saying no, a lot of people are saying yes. So what I'm going to do is that, you can either go to instamojo.com and purchase InstaMojo directly, but I will also go ahead and share my affiliate link. And what you can do is that you can go ahead and sign up for InstaMojo, because I'm going to give you an exercise, and I'm also going to give you my product which you can go ahead and sell. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to teach you how to write copy. I'm going to teach you how to create a sales page, and you can go and write a sales page as part of this assignment. But what I'm going to do is that if you don't have a product to sell, I'm also going to give you a product of mine that you can sell, and you can keep the money. So you can become like a reseller, and you don't even need to pay anything for that. So go ahead and take 2 minutes and sign up for an InstaMojo account. And once you are done, just tell me done in the chat box if you are done doing that. All right. So if you already have an InstaMojo account, also go ahead and just click on done. So you don't need any KYC to do this. You can just go ahead and sign up, and up to 10,000 rupees. You don't need to do any KYC. So I will go ahead and give you a product which you can sell for 999 rupees. So that would be that would be my digital marketing tools mastery course, which you can write a copy for. So as part of the assignment, you can go ahead and write a sales copy for some other product as well if you don't want to promote mine. But if you don't have a product, and if you want to make money by selling someone's product, you can go ahead and sell my digital marketing tools mastery. So most of the people are from India here, so I will keep it India focused. But you can also sell internationally using PayPal or Gumroad or something like that. So I will give you like 100% discount or link, and I will say batch 3 intern reseller, and I will show you how this entire thing works. You can also sell via Google Pay and give people this, but the idea is that you have to go ahead and make a sale. So that's going to be part of the assignment. So intern batch 3 reseller. So I will also go ahead and mail you this link and the resources. But what you have to actually do is that once you collect the payment, you go ahead and mail people the link. You go ahead and give this link to people so that they can go ahead and sign up for Digital Marketing Tools Mastery. So if you don't have access to Digital Marketing Tools Mastery, also you can go ahead and click that link and sign up. And what you can do is that you can price the product at 999 rupees. Don't price the product less than 999. And I will tell you how you can make the sale. So basically you go inside InstaMojo, click on add product. So I will also put this on the mind map. So I will put this on the mind map so that you have a clear idea about it. So here basically what you are going to do is that you are going to sell Digital Marketing Tools Mastery, which is optional, and take the link which is 100% discount link on my LMS, sell for at least 999 rupees, and you can give the link to the customers. So basically what I am telling you is that this is an easy way to give access to your customers who purchase the Digital Marketing Tools Mastery course, and you basically go and give these customers access to your product. So you can, if you don't have a website, don't worry about it. I will tell you all about it. So what you need to do is that you can go ahead and click on other, and this is how you create a product in InstaMojo. You go ahead and put the product title, which is Digital Marketing Tools, and then put a price of 999 rupees. I will also send you the images for it, which you can upload and which you can put it, and you can put some product description here. And what you need to do is that in the advanced settings, you need to go ahead and give this particular URL which I have shared in the chat box, and you put it here as the redirection URL. So you understand what will happen. People will pay for the course, and once they pay for the course, so you can go ahead and create a business account on InstaMojo. That's what you need. Or you can go ahead and create a consumer account also if you don't have any business setup, right? So what happens is that so this is, it's not important that you collect payment only via InstaMojo. You can also make a sale via Google Pay or Gumroad or PayPal for international things. And you go ahead and add product to the store, and you understand what happens, right? So once people make the payment, they will be redirected here. So only after they make the payment. So this link that I am giving you is unique only for this batch. So people go ahead and make a payment, and then they will be redirected here, and then they will be able to access my digital marketing tools mastery course for free. So this is clear for you. Just type clear in the chat box if this is clear for you.
All right, so a lot of people are saying it's not clear. Don't worry about it. What we will do is that for people for whom it is not clear, we will do a Q&A session. And in the Q&A session, we will give you like very clear instructions. I will also create like a crisp video on how to do the entire thing. So I'm just giving you an overview here. What I will do is that I will give you a step-by-step video. All right, step-by-step video on how you have to do this. And I don't want to waste much time right now explaining about this. I want to get into the actual class. So guys, I know for some people this will be like, "Are Deepak kya keh raha hai? Mujhe kuch samajh mein nahi aa raha." All this will be there, right? But when you are trying new something for the first time, there is going to be a little bit of anxiety. There is going to be a little bit of discomfort, and you have to be okay with it, right? Type okay if you are okay with it. ठीक है, lot of people are laughing at my Hindi, so मुझे हिंदी इतना अच्छा नहीं मालूम, थोड़ा थोड़ा हिंदी मालूम, so I'm trying my best anyway. All right, so I see a lot of people are saying okay. So don't worry about if you are not able to do it. You have other students in the group who will be able to help you with it. And we will also have a Q&A session where Kamna Jain will be able to help you with it. So how many of you here have attended Kamna Jain's Q&A session? And was it good? Was it good? Was she able to answer all your questions and clear all your questions? So Kamna Jain will be doing another session, Q&A session for you, and she will be telling you, how these things are going to be. So let's get back to the mind map. So how do you do copywriting? How do you persuade people? So copywriting is basically a sales copy, and a sales copy goes into a landing page. All right, so a sales copy goes into a landing page, and the goal of the page is to get people to take action, right? What is the goal of the website? The goal of the website, so by the way, yeah, if you guys sell it, if you guys sell the digital marketing tools mastery course, then you can keep the money. You can just redirect customers to my LMS. I will not take the money, right? You are promoting digital marketing tools mastery course, but you can keep the money. If you sell it for 999 rupees, and if you sell 5 units, then you can keep 5,000 rupees, right? And Rajesh is saying, I want to create my own product instead of selling your course. Absolutely, Rajesh. That's what I made it very clear. As part of this assignment, you have to create a sales copy, and you have to generate at least one sale of any product that you have. And what happens is that if you want to sell your own product, or if you want to sell an affiliate product also, it's completely fine. It's not necessary that you have to do it. So Raghavendra is asking, what is the catch? Why are you giving free of cost? I'm giving it away for branding. Naveen Das, I will check that. No problem. We will get deep into it later. So I would say that the minimum cost to sell the digital marketing tools mastery course should be 499 rupees. Sell at least for 499. In fact, I will reduce it even further, so that you can go ahead and sell. So you can also sell your own product. Yes, Kopa Dutta. I don't know why some of the questions are constantly repeating, even though I have answered it. Guys, please focus on the class so that you don't miss what I am saying. So guys, do you want, so guys, if you do you want me to keep the price at 999 minimum or 499 minimum? Because we have to keep it consistent. Because if some people are selling for 999, then the other people cannot sell the same course for 499. So I see 499 seems to be having higher votes than 999. Anyway, I will keep it 499 for now, because a lot of people are not confident whether they will be able to write a sales copy for sell it at 999. And okay, should we take a poll for this? Do you think we should make a poll for this? Okay, let me just quickly go ahead and make a poll. So for US customers, you guys can sell it for maybe $10. So let me just quickly go ahead and create poll. So if you sell it for 99, it's yours to keep. So what should be? So for how many days will you give this leverage, Akash? This is for like 1 year. For the next 1 year, you will be able to sell this course and make as much money from it as possible. Rajesh, yes, you can sell it in USA also. Guys, I have launched the poll. Go ahead and answer the poll. So SK Rafiul Khan is SK Rafiqul Islam. There is no limit or minimum or higher price. If you want to sell your own product, it's fine. So looks like 499 takes the cake. 69% of the people have said that they want to sell it for 499. So keep the price at 499. Don't sell it less than that, guys. Janhavi, what is confusing? I don't know. Tell me in the chat box what area is confusing. So this is something we will help you with, guys. We will help you with the entire setup of this. Don't worry about it. You can watch videos and you can learn from it. We'll also do a Q&A session. This internship program will get challenging, but without the challenge we will not be able to learn, and you will not get into good stages, right? So a lot of people are saying Instamojo is asking for PAN number. Yes, it will ask for PAN number. All right, so let's get back to the class. Let's focus on this. So basically you are starting with a sales copy, and goal of the landing page is to get people to take action. So what is the difference between a website and a landing page? A website means that there is going to be a lot of information on the website and people will get distracted with the website. But however, if you have a landing page, then you have the focus on getting people to take action. So there are two types of landing pages. One is a squeeze page. So squeeze page is a lead generation page, which is also something that we will be doing in the class, in the further classes. And then one is a sales page. One is a sales page. So one is a squeeze page and one is a sales page. These are the two different types of pages. And what we need to do is that now that you have got some experience in writing a sales page copy, and then you have got some experience in going ahead and creating a customer avatar. So now you have to write to this customer avatar. Now you have to go ahead and create a sales copy. So that the writing a sales copy is going to be the part of this assignment, and then you have to create a sales video. So how do you persuade? Let me go ahead and quickly close the poll screen. Sorry to keep that open. So how do you go ahead and persuade people? There are different ways to persuade people, and we are going to mainly discuss about that. So the first way to do persuasion is reciprocation. So reciprocation means that basically you are giving something for free, and then people will have a feeling of reciprocation to give it back. Like for example, if you go ahead and notice that within families there is always this custom of give and take, right? If someone gives you a gift, do you feel an obligation to give it back? Type yes in the chat box if you feel that you feel an obligation to give it back. Yes. So if you look at Hare Krishna devotees will go and give a rose to people in the airport, and then they will ask for donation. So whenever you give something, then people have an obligation to give it back, right? So in online, what we do is that we give a free course, we give free content, people like it, and then they feel that they have an obligation to give it back. So that is reciprocation, and this is where free samples and all those things work. And then we have the next persuasion technique, which is commitment. When people commit to something, they are more likely to stick to it. So here you understand that for example, if people say yes, they are more likely to say yes. For example, when you look at mobile gaming apps, in the mobile gaming apps, people will keep asking you to say yes, 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 and finally if they want to upgrade something, then maybe there will be something called yes, right? So then you are more likely to say yes. If people are committing to learn, then they are going to have a thing that in their mind that they have to keep up the commitment. This is also where brand loyalty comes in. People who buy Bajaj bikes, and their second bike is also Bajaj, third bike is also Bajaj, fourth bike is also Bajaj. And then you have people who buy a Honda bike, and then their second bike is Honda, third bike is Honda. They stick to have they kind of have a brand loyalty to a particular brand. So that's where commitment comes in. So when within part of commitment, so you have this thing called moving the free line. So moving the free line is basically the funnel. So you start with a 500 rupees product, then you sell a 1,000 rupee product, then you sell a 5,000 rupee product, and then you sell a 10,000 rupee product, and that's how you increase the commitment level, right? So before you signed up for the internship program, you signed up for my free newsletter. You went ahead and learned something from my newsletter. You learned from my free videos, yes, and then you are basically committing to learn digital marketing, and then it becomes easier to get you into the internship program. And after the internship program, if I have a higher program, then that is also, I think you would be something interested in learning. Yes. Type yes in the chat box if that makes sense. Fantastic. All right. So reciprocation, commitment. The third trigger is scarcity. Scarcity is basically like, for example, how many of you have noticed that if you go into Amazon, then you will be seeing that there is just 1 unit remaining. If you want something, and if it's just 1 minute remaining, then don't you feel like you want to go ahead and buy? So that is also a trigger to persuade people. So we say that the discount is ending today. We say that the last few units are remaining, and we say all that because it increases the sales volume, and it has to be ethical. You cannot say last day and keep extending the last day forever, right? Then you would lose trust. So sales is the process of building trust with your audience, and you can also use scarcity to your advantage. So these are the components when it comes to sales, when it comes to copywriting. So reciprocation, commitment, scarcity, then social proof. Social proof is very important. If you are buying something from Amazon, then what is the number one thing that you look for?
the number one thing that you look for is reviews, right? So if something has a 5-star reviews, you are more likely to buy because you are letting other people make a decision for you. And if something has a 1-star review, then you are not likely to go ahead and buy it because you are not really confident about it. So social proof is very important when it comes to sales. So when you are creating a sales page for selling something, then you have to have a strong social proof, right? You need to have testimonials, you need to have ratings, you need to have reviews. Type true in the chat box if you agree with it. True, this is true. You need to have ratings and reviews. So reciprocation, commitment, scarcity, social proof, and then you also have liking. So if you are more of a likable person, then you are going to have a higher influence in sales, and then you have authority. So how do you display authority? If you have good authority, then you will be able to go ahead and sell more, right? If you have a good authority. So authority is also important. Like, how do you think that I am an authority in digital marketing? What makes you an authority? What makes you believe that I know what I am talking about? Go ahead and type it in the chat box. So how do you, so somebody is saying brand. So how is the brand built? So experience is there, yes. I have created a lot of courses, yes. So my life journey, yes. Mass trust, all right. But what makes you believe? What makes you believe that Deepak is an authority in digital marketing? How do I add credibility? How do I create authority for myself? Knowledge, experience, confidence, proven things. Okay, somebody is saying that my income. So how many of you think that my proof that I'm able to make this much revenue and I'm able to make this much income is actually a very huge credibility factor that I know what I am talking about? Type me in the chat box if you think that that is important. All right, it looks like a lot of people think that that is important. You also think that because I am going ahead and having a digital marketing agency and I'm speaking at big events, it gives me a lot of authority. Type yes in the chat box if that is true. All right, fantastic. So reciprocation, commitment, scarcity, social proof, liking, and authority. And one more trigger is fear. So, is fear used in sales? Can you tell me when is fear used in sales? And what kind of sales that people use fear as a marketing tactic? So a lot of people are saying insurance. Absolutely, yes. If somebody is selling insurance, they are using fear as a marketing tactic. People will always pay more attention to something that they don't want to lose versus something that they want to gain, right? Hand sanitizers is also masks right now. It is also selling on fear. Somebody is saying tires. Absolutely, tires are being sold based on fear because people are saying that your tire will burst, you will get a punctured tire and things like that. So that is definitely there. And what else, guys? What else? Go ahead and tell me in the chat box. Who else uses fear as a marketing tactic? Fantastic. All right. So helmet is used. CCTV is used. Skin and hair products is used. Sometimes baby products like detergents and things like that is also being used on the entire sales thing. So fantastic. So these are the things that being used. So this is also something, but this is not something that you can use every time. This is not something that you can use every time. You have to use selectively. So these are the 7 triggers of commitment. So 7 triggers of, sorry, these are the 7 triggers of, getting people to persuade, right? These are the 7 triggers of getting people to persuade. And this makes sense. Yes. Type yes in the chat box if this makes complete sense. Fantastic. So now, as part of this assignment for the third class, what I want you to do is that I want you to go ahead and write a sales copy, but I also want you to go ahead and create a sales video. So how many of you are ready to create a video? Type me in the chat box if you are ready to create a sales video. And I will show you how to create a sales video. Basically, you put together a bunch of slides. It can be something like Google slide deck as well. And you go ahead and try to sell something and basically record your voice, and you can use something like Loom. So I will show you Loom, which is a nice tool for screen recording. So this is the Loom tool. So how many of you know about Loom? So you have to basically go ahead and create a video and record the video. So what we will do is that we will also give you a tutorial on how to use Loom, and I will send you a crisp video on how you can use Loom to go ahead and create a sales video, create a presentation. And you can also use any alternative that you want. Like for example, for Windows, there is this tool called Camtasia. You can use Camtasia. You can use the free trial of Camtasia also, and then you can basically go ahead and create the sales video and upload it on YouTube. And I will also give you a sample sales video. So some people are saying OBS screen recorder. So OBS screen recorder is also something that you can use. So basically what you are going to do is that you are going to create a sales video with all these sales triggers and basically use that to go ahead and sell a product. It is not necessary that you have to generate sales, but you have to create a sales copy, and the sales copy can be published at the same place where you have published your previous articles. And then you have to go ahead and also create a sales video. All right, so once you create a sales video, then we are going to give you an assignment submission form. And in the assignment submission form, we will also give you a template, and I will create a follow-up video, and I will also create a Q&A call. And how many of you are ready to have the Q&A call on Monday? Type me in the chat box if Monday is fine, right? Because people said they wanted it early. So I will create a Q&A call on Monday with my team, and we will also show you some sample. So Monday evening 4 p.m. is when we will have the call, and looks like pretty much everybody is okay with it. And we will also shoot the recording of the call on Monday 4 p.m. and you will be able to kind of get all your doubts cleared. And for people who cannot attend it on Monday 4 p.m., a lot of people are saying that they have an office. What we will do is that we will have another call at Tuesday 9 p.m. Or again, let me go ahead and just quickly do a poll for that also. So we'll have a Q&A call. So Monday 9 p.m. is good, guys. Monday 9 p.m. is good enough. Okay. I don't think I need to create a poll because I think pretty much everybody is saying that Monday 9 p.m. is good for a Q&A call. So basically, that's the deal. So what I will do is that I will go ahead and upload the recording of this video, but I will also go ahead and create a few sample assignments, and I will show you exactly this is how you have to create the assignment and this is how you have to submit it. I will also create tutorials on how you can create the sales page and how you can create the InstaMojo link. Everything I will create like a video tutorial for you, because a lot of people seems to be confused. A lot of people need much more hand holding and much more clarity on this entire assignment. So this assignment has two parts to it. One part is you go ahead and create a sales page, and I will also send you some content related to copywriting and what is copywriting. And then I will also go ahead and create a sales video for you guys, so that you can learn how to, I will also create a sample video where you can go ahead and create a sales video. So once you create a sales video, and once you go ahead and make your first sale, then your confidence on the entire skill of copywriting will increase. And what I will do is that a lot of people seem to be asking for the entire outline or syllabus for the entire course. Do you want the outline or syllabus for the entire course? That was already shared during the launch webinar. But what I will do is that I will create a big mind map, and in that mind map I will kind of clearly break down everything that is covered, going to be covered in class 4, class 5, class 6 and class 7. All right. So by the way, guys, just to clarify, making sales of a product is not mandatory. It is not mandatory. It is optional. If you want to sell, then you can sell and make money out of it. But if you don't want to do it, that is also fine. All right. You just need to create a sales page and a sales video. All right. So everything is clear until this point. Just type clear in the chat box. Fantastic. For people which is not clear, then we will clarify it in the Monday Q&A session. And if at all you have any other issues related to issues that you are facing with assignment submissions and things like that, you can mail krishna@pixeltrack.com. He will help you with it. See, last day for submission of this assignment is next Saturday. So last day would be, let me check. It would be June 6th, 6 p.m. So it will be June 6th, 6 p.m. All right. So that would be the last day to submit the assignment. So if you have any questions, you let me know in the chat box. So Akash, you cannot do that. So 666, June 6th, 6 p.m. It's going to be 666. All right. So a lot of people are saying assignment 2 is not yet approved. Of course, guys, assignment 2 is not yet approved. As we said, after the deadline for the assignment submission ends, we need another 7 days to approve the assignment. So all the assignments will be approved or rejected before June 6th because our team is working on it. Don't worry about it. And what I will do is that I will send you a sample assignment video, and I will also go ahead and send you a crisp video, and then we will have a Q&A session at Monday 9 p.m. so that we can get all your questions clarified. All right, clear until now? Just type clear in the chat box if it is clear until now. Fantastic, amazing, guys. Thanks a lot. And that's about it. So how many of you felt that this persuasion, these 7 triggers of persuasion was something that you learned today? Yes. Was it like something that gave you clarity? Fantastic. All right. So for people who have confusion, don't worry. We will do a Q&A call on Monday 9 p.m. and we will get all your questions clarified. I want to help you complete the assignment as much as possible. So it's not like I'm just going to leave you out in the water. You will have all the support that you need for this. So no blog writing this time. Instead of blog writing, we are going to write a sales page. I think what you need is the sample assignment so that you can copy from the sample assignment. Don't copy as it is. Go ahead and take the sample as an inspiration. So that I will probably go ahead and we will have like 1 or 2 students who kind of understand this entire process, and they will go ahead and do it, right? So we will show that example and as a sample assignment. So I'm with you guys, don't worry about it. So anyway, I will end the session now. Today was a short session, and in the next session what we will do is that on June 6th we will help you go ahead and get a WordPress blog up and running. So are you excited about June 6th class, where we will help you create your own website, and we will help you register your own domain name, get your website installed, and then help you with some of the basic SEO as well. And you will be able to get your website ranked on the search engines. So that would be something that you are finally having a digital footprint for yourself. Fantastic. So that's where the real excitement will start. And next class will be on June 6th, 9 p.m. So I will see you on the next class. I will see you, wait for my email with a crisp video, and I will send it on Monday morning. I will send you the crisp video. I will send you the sample assignment, and I will send you the link to register for the class on, in fact, what we can do is that I can go ahead and schedule a webinar right away, Q&A session for batch 3 on Monday. So let's say Q&A session for class 3. I will share the link right away so that you can register right now, so that you don't need to wait for my email. So June 1st, 9 p.m. You can go ahead and register for it. So affiliate link, the reseller link for digital marketing course, I will send it to you on email, guys. So I'm sharing the link for the Q&A session on Monday. I've shared the link on the chat box. Please go ahead and click on that link and register for the Monday Q&A session right away. And once you have signed up for the Monday Q&A session, just type done in the chat box. I think you will be able to just do it in one click, because usually the emails and everything is already there on the form. Yes, you don't even need to enter the email again if you are using the same browser. So Monday night Q&A session, I will meet you guys. So let's look at how much. So we already have 285 registrations. Fantastic. The registrations came in no time. Fantastic, guys. So good night. Have a nice weekend. Have a good Sunday. And I will see you on Monday, 9 p.m. And the next class will be, fourth class will be on June 6th. Good night, guys, and bye. And look forward to my email on crisp videos and everything else.